What if I told you that the secret to better health, a stronger immune system, and even a quick remedy for upset stomachs is sitting right in your kitchen? Today we're diving into why you should always have apples at home. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Restore and Heal. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more natural health tips. Now, let's talk apples. Did you know that apples have been linked to lower risks of major diseases, aid in digestion, and even help with weight loss? But that's just scratching the surface. There's so much more to this common fruit than meets the eye. Stick around, because in a moment, I'll share a personal story about how apples came to the rescue when my kids were really sick. Alright, let's break it down. First up, apples are incredibly rich in fiber. This means they help keep your digestive system running smoothly and can even prevent constipation. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to keep your gut happy. And it doesn't stop there. Apples are a fantastic source of vitamin C and A, antioxidants that boost your immune system and help fight off free radicals. Plus, they have a low glycemic index, which means they won't spike your blood sugar levels. Perfect for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Now let me share a personal experience that highlights the true power of apples. Just a while ago, 2 of my children had terrible gastrointestinal problems. They couldn't keep anything down. We tried everything: charcoal, lemon water, small amounts of easy-to-digest foods, but nothing worked. Even water, if they drank more than a spoonful, would come right back up. Then we tried finely grated apple. It was like magic. It was the only thing my girls could eat without throwing up. The pectin in the apple worked wonders, soothing their stomachs and helping them recover. It was a true lifesaver. So, why should you always have apples at home? They're a versatile, delicious, and incredibly healthy snack that can aid digestion, boost your immune system, and even come to the rescue in a health emergency. Plus, they're perfect for sweet or savory dishes, juicing, or just enjoying on their own. Here's a brilliant little tip. Apples emit ethylene, a ripening gas that encourages fruit and vegetables to ripen more quickly if they are stored next to apples. So if something needs to ripen more quickly, it's good to know. But be careful if the fruit and vegetables are already ripe, as this considerably shortens their shelf life and they can rot earlier and become inedible. And here's a extra: keep apples in your fridge to extend their shelf life, but always let them come to room temperature before eating to bring out their full flavor. If you found this information helpful, you'll definitely want to check out our next video on another superfood that you probably have in your kitchen right now. Click here to watch and discover more ways to keep your family healthy naturally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there.